Hey everybody, this is just a quick tutorial on how to use the Google Meet Tuesdays. So one of the things we've set up is we're giving you an opportunity to ask questions live. So if you have questions and you don't want to email them out on Tuesdays, you can come to these live sessions. You don't have to email us asking for a live session, which you could do as well, but you can just log in, ask away, and then log back out. You don't have to stay for the whole time. So it says Google Meet Tuesdays. Do you have any questions about science? Do you not understand what to do? Are you confused? So the expectation is that you're answering questions. Never should you not complete assignment because you don't know how. If you don't know how, not knowing how is fine, but then, are you asking for help? So what do we do? It says join your science teachers for a Google Meet every Tuesday from 1 to 1:30. So we'll be on there. We may be working together. We may have our mics muted, but just get on and say, hey, Mr. Rattoon, are you there? Hey, Mr. Phillips, are you there? Because we're both going to try and be there. So is this required? No, only if you need additional support. So if you need it, the expectation is you're getting it. So how does it work? You're going to need to do two things. One, you're going to need to click on this link. But more importantly, before you go to that link, I would take this right here and I would copy and paste that. Once you copy and paste it, go ahead, click on that link. It's going to take you to a place that looks like this. It'll say start or join a meeting. You just hit plus, then enter that nickname. So if you enter that nickname and hit continue, it will take you there, here. Now what I'd want you to do is I'd want you to click on the camera. Once you do that, my face disappears. And then I want you to, you can leave the mic on originally because if you're going to ask for help, but I would turn it off to begin with and just hit join now. Now you're in it, and this may look a little different for you because I'm the one who's going to be entering this in. Now keep in mind a couple things. One, we're only going to be there from 1 to 1:30. We'll get logged in a little bit early, but if you're too early and you try and log in, if we're not logged in, it will not allow you to log in yourself. So you have to wait for us to log in first. So don't log in thinking, oh, I'm going to log in 10 minutes early. You're not going to be able to. You're going to have to wait for us. So this is how you use Google Meet Tuesdays. Make sure you ask questions if you have them. Thanks.